Hello, welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making chocolate peanut butter truffles. This is a great option for a party or holidays to have chocolate peanut butter truffles. They're very easy to make. You're going to start with 1 pound of powdered sugar. Take a stick of butter and break it up into smaller pieces. Then you're going to add 12 ounces of creamy peanut butter. There's an optional 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract if you want to use it. It does make them a little sweeter on the peanut butter side. It's your choice if you want to use it or not. Personally, I just like the peanut butter taste, so I leave it out. So now for the messy part. Once you have everything in your bowl, you're going to have to probably mix this by hand because spoons don't really do a good job with this. Take a little bit of the powdered sugar, sprinkle it over the peanut butter, and start to combine all your ingredients together. You're going to work this until it's completely mixed through, and then you will have a big ball of the mixture, and you're going to roll it into smaller balls, choosing by your size on how large you want your truffles to come out in the end. As you roll these out, you're probably going to get 20 or more truffles. But basically at this point you are making little balls of peanut butter. So once you get all the balls rolled out, you're going to take a bowl with some powdered sugar in it, and you're going to roll them back and forth until you get them completely coated. After you've done all your peanut butter balls, you're going to have to refrigerate. You can do this for a few hours. I would suggest overnight, so that way they have a time to firm up before you try to dip them in chocolate. So now that you're ready to mix up your chocolate, you're going to take 3/4 cup of Belgium chocolate. You can buy this at places like Aldi or other stores where they're little cubes of chocolate. Then into that you're going to add 1 cup of almond bark block chocolate. These are those really huge blocks that you buy at Walmart or other stores, but you're going to have to break them up into littler bits. So basically, take a knife, rock it back and forth until you break these, but please be careful and don't cut yourself. The smaller the pieces you put in to go into the microwave in this chocolate, the better, because it takes longer to melt the larger blocks, and the little blocks will melt really fast. So try to keep everything kinda in a similar size. When I put mine in the microwave, I go for 30 seconds at a time until everything is melted through and you get it really smooth and there's no lumps. To this, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. That's going to give it a bit of shine on the outside and temper your chocolate to where it looks nicer instead of the dull look you get without it. You do not need to microwave once you put the coconut oil in. Just stir it into the hot mix of chocolate and it will actually break down as you're stirring. Once you get your chocolate really mixed through with the coconut oil, you're going to need something like a toothpick or whatever to hold on to the peanut butter balls before you go to put them in the chocolate. That way you can dip them in but still pull them back out without leaving a lot of marks, like from a fork or something like that. Just keep rotating it around. You might need a spoon to dip the chocolate around the actual toothpick area to get that on top of it. And when you put them down onto your paper that you put on your counter, there will be a little ridge that comes down from the chocolate that melts and drips to the side. You can break this off once you're done and actually clean them up a bit. Plus you can snack on it while you're doing it. But anyway, once you set these to the side, just let them cool down. They'll be fine. Eventually you will need to refrigerate these because of all the ingredients in it. However, this is what you have: chocolate peanut butter truffles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next one.